All right, do something a little different. Well, kind of. So I haven't ever done like a specific, I guess I have the headlights. Anyway, we're gonna do another like product review. Recently had a hazard switch go out, and the car has LED turn signals. They all do actually. This one being the silver cam car. So I called on a friend who modifies these switches so that they don't have the hyperflash. They showed up. So I got two, one for that car, and then another one which I'll end up putting in a daily for now. I already have it out. I thought I had a spare, which I don't. So that was another reason why I just ended up calling on him, because by the time I pay for a new one, I got these. Oh, look at that. My man with the Rock Auto stickers. So this is actually his car. Little plug here. This goes on, I believe, the first weekend of September. Not sure. One way or another, I will be there this year. Whether it's just a film or if I actually take the boosted car. It's a great show. I've seen so many good pictures about it, and yeah, not playing around this year. I'm actually gonna go. Here we go. As you can see, he actually numbers and labels these things. What's neat is, and I'll share it real quick, he sends a video of these things being tested before he even ships them out.
Alright Kyle, I do this with all the flasher modules that I sell. I have them numbered, and I do a quick little test with a little bench tester. I test these numerous times before they get to the point where I actually sell them, but I like to do a final test. We can tell the light is illuminating on the hazards. I'll activate the hazards and ignore the fact that the switch goes one way and the other lights blink. It's just how it's wired. We have turn signals, so that is all working on the 35 module. So we did the 35 module here. I will test the 34. We got backlight. Backlight is good. Got our hazards. Turn signal is good. And there's the other signal. So things appear to be good. This appears to be working just as I expected. Like I said, I like to do a final test.
You know, his own little quality assurance there. Love it. That's fantastic. Really, honestly, anything I do, I try to do the same thing, but I think I'm going to be a little more detailed about it to follow how he goes about it. If you need to know how to install these, I do have another video about it. And pop him in there. And goes there. Let me get the screws, and I'll come back once it's in the car. Freshly installed. Look at that. All right, so let's go install in the other car now that actually doesn't have resistors in it. All right, a little before. Okay, so we got our hyperflash. So let me go swap it out with this guy and see what we got. Okay, so new one installed. Oh yeah, look at that. No more hyperflash. Yeah. All right, and there's my review of that. Jason Morris, you can find him on the Facebook pages. Not just Grand Am or N-body ones, but W-body ones as well. He has a Monte Carlo, as you saw on the Rock Auto Magnet. He'll also do other ones that use the same body, but use a different button, because you can interchange the button on that. So he's able to do that as well. But definitely get a hold of him and let him know what you need. As far as reviews, let me know what else you guys want to see. I've got the daily that's stock, so it's kind of a good blank canvas to use for that purpose. Kind of goes along with the whole comparison stuff I can do as well. But that's all for this one. I am off to finishing the headlights now. But as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.